How do I clear and start over in IRS Online? Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video I'm going to talk about how can you exactly clear and start over in IRS Online. So the first thing is that the IRS does not have a comprehensive online system that allows users to create accounts, save work, and start over in the same way that some tax preparation software does. However, if you're using specific online tools or services provided by the IRS, such as the free fileable forms or other online applications, there might be a process for starting over or clearing your information. Since processes and tools can change, it's very important to check the latest information on the official IRS website or contact the IRS directly for the guidance, which is specific to 2024. First of all, clear browser cookies and cache. If you're having issues with an online tool, try clearing your browser cookies and cache. This might help eliminate any stored data causing problems. Now, use the Start Over or Clear option. Some online tools may have a Start Over or Clear option within the application itself. Look for this option on the page or in the settings. Now, close and reopen the application. If you encounter issues, close the application or browser tab and simply reopen it. This can sometimes reset the application and allows you to start fresh. Now, review tool-specific instructions. Check for any instructions or help guides provided by the specific online tool or application you're using. There may be a guidance on how to clear information and start over. If you're still having problem, consider reaching out to the IRS support for assistance. The contact information can usually be found on the IRS website. And it's very important to exercise the caution and ensure that you're using the official IRS online tools and websites to avoid any potential scams. Be wary of phishing attempts and only input personal information on verified and secure platforms. For the most accurate and the current information, always refer to the official IRS website or contact the IRS directly. If there are changes or updates to the online services in 2024, the IRS will provide the necessary instructions and guidance. This is basically about how can you clear and start over in IRS. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.